Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Team Charter School in Stockton, California. My first visit to this school ever. And behind me, I'm here in the cafeteria. It says Team Titans. This is home of the Titans, right? Their school mascot. And really what we tried to focus on today, which you see on the screen behind me, it says bullying, look at the heart first. And that was the main focus, the main topic. And I did 3 separate assemblies, 3 presentations, one for grades K to 2, one for 3 to 5, one for 6 to 8. And they got more heart heavy as we went up in age. And that's how all my programs get. Usually the older the student, the more heartfelt some of the stories become. But the positive music, the inspirational videos, all tied together, really started to touch some of the hearts here of the students and the staff. Had a lot of great feedback after the programs, just telling me, said, hey, Mr. Peace, something really touched my heart. And I said, look, if it did, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love fully enter into here, right, we can turn this into the peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But it's also 2 because in just 2 seconds, right, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 1 tweet, 1 DM, 1 text message, whatever it is, cyber, virtual, physical, verbal, any type of interaction with someone else, we have this ability to either uplift or to bring down. And it just takes 2 seconds. And to know that power that all of us have, that's a huge life lesson to get at a young age. And the students really got that, right? So I was so honored to be here today, to be able to really speak on a very powerful message and really start to make them critically think. What can we do to start to change our school climate, our campus, our culture? What do we want to be remembered for? Starting to think about those things. Our actions today matching what people want to remember us for. I've had a kindergartner come up to me in the past and said, Mr. Peace, you won't believe it, I'm getting bullied. I said, when did it start? And she said, 10 minutes ago. I said, it's probably not bullying, because for something to be bullying, it's got to be over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, right? But the things that aren't bullying, again, just those one-time actions, those one-time words can still have the same impact and leave the same effect on someone's heart. So hopefully we are choosing to fix hearts instead of to break them. And really, this comes down to thinking about the biggest reason why people bully that I've seen, which is hurt people. But a lot of times we push that pain onto someone else. That's the easy thing to do. The hard thing to do is to forgive. Where healed people heal people. But I said that we need to step into that, right? And just like it says on their mural outside on recess with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. as one of the figures on the wall, it says always lead with love. And that, like I've talked about in this assembly, in this presentation in particular, I said, look, darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that, right? Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. And if we can really just choose to stick with love, because that hate is too much weight on our shoulders and in our heart, become the healed people that heal people, and we can go and start to make this world a better place. Like Mahatma Gandhi said, another famous peacemaker, be the change you want to see in the world, that you must be the change, right? He's not saying if we want more kindness and respect here at our school in Stockton in California to be the change and show kindness if we feel like it, we have to do this, right? We are all called to lead. We're all called to really show that compassion, and we're all called to show more peace. Thank you guys so much for touching my heart. Remember that you're all miracles too. Like the M on all of our palms and like the front of my shirt says, with the lines of our hand, we have at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. So never ever forget your value, and never stop seeing that in others around us, the ones that need to be reminded of that or told for a first time. That's such a huge thing to also grasp at a young age, that you can make a difference on this earth even at a young age. Take care. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.